To mine Dogecoin on a PC, you will need a few pieces of software and some basic knowledge of how cryptocurrency mining works. First, you need to download and install a Dogecoin wallet on your computer. This will be where your mined Dogecoins are stored. Next, you need to download a mining software. There are several options available, including Easy Miner and CG Miner. These programs will allow you to connect to a mining pool and start mining for Dogecoins. After you have downloaded and installed your mining software, you will need to join a mining pool. A mining pool is a group of miners that work together to mine Dogecoins. By joining a pool, you increase your chances of solving the complex mathematical equations required to mine Dogecoins. Once you have joined a mining pool, you will need to configure your mining software to connect to the pool. This will typically involve entering the pool's URL and your username and password. After you have configured your mining software, you can start mining. The mining software will use your computer's CPU or GPU to solve the complex mathematical equations required to mine Dogecoins. It is worth noting that mining Dogecoins can be a resource-intensive process and may slow down your computer. It is also important to be aware of the energy consumption of mining, as it can increase your electricity bill. To maximize your mining efficiency, you should use a computer with a high-end GPU. You should also ensure that your computer is properly cooled to prevent overheating. In conclusion, mining Dogecoin on a PC can be a fun and rewarding experience. By following these steps and using the right software and hardware, you can start mining Dogecoins today.